Welcome to the bank tech series on Excel 2016. In an earlier video, you were shown how to separate names that were typed in one field so that each name, both the first name and the surname, appeared in separate fields while they were given in one field. This time around, we want to look at how we can take the names which are in separate fields, like in this case you see they are in the C and D column, and we are going to combine them together as single names in the E column, and we are going to do this one by two methods. First, we are going to use the Concatenate feature, which is the more complicated one, but it's not really that complicated once we remember it. So what we're going to do, we're going to type our formula equal Concatenate open parenthesis, and this is going to tell the computer to join what it finds in one cell to what's in the next cell. What do we want to join? We want to have, in this case, the surname first, so we're going to put the address for the surname. We click on it, it says CDD24. I then put in my separator, and I want a space to appear between the two names, so I use double quotes, one space, double quote, and then I put another separator, and now I tell the computer what should come after the space. That is the first name. That's all it is. Close the quote, close the parenthesis, press enter, and there you go. So you now have Night Kibui in one cell. I can now copy that down to the next two cells. I want to use another method for the other names. Let's say I'm going to skip one name for now so they can see the difference. This method is a little simpler. It works just as well. So you go equal the name we want to appear first. So I click on the surname, D28. I put an ampersand right after the D28. Then I put my quote, space, quote. I put another ampersand, and then I add the first name. That's all it is to it. Press enter, and there you go. I can now copy that down to the other names. So there you have two different methods of adding the two names together in a single cell. First one, you can see I use the Concatenate formula, so that tells the computer to combine the contents of the two cells together into one. I wanted the surname to come first, so I put the D24, which is here. I put in my separator. I then told the computer I want a blank space, or what we call a null character. So I have quotes, space, quote. The computer will know that there's nothing in that space. I then put my next separator, and then C24, which is the first name. Press enter, and there you go. In the second case, as here in E28, it's a lot simpler. The difference is though that if I go and delete the surname or the first name, then whatever is over here will disappear. So it's equal followed by the address of whichever name you want to appear first, ampersand, and that comes over the 7. Then you put in a null character, so this quote, space, quote, followed by another ampersand and the address of the other item that you want to appear in that cell. and then you just press enter. Once you've done that, they never appear, and you just copy the formula down to the other cells. That's it. Enjoy.